In the shadows of sheds, stones, and scrubland, the black widow builds her web a messy tangle of silk, not for beauty, but for survival. Her venom is neurotoxic, affecting nerve signals and paralyzing prey within seconds. Only the female wears the iconic red hourglass, a warning sign evolved through millions of years of natural selection. Males are smaller, paler, and short-lived, approaching cautiously to avoid becoming her next meal. The black widow's silk is incredibly strong for its size, and her sensitive legs detect even the faintest vibrations from struggling insects. Though feared, she is shy, biting only in self-defense, and rarely causing serious harm to humans. A symbol of myth, yes, but also of precision, patience, and evolutionary power.